Hello and welcome to another instalment of Monty and Me. This time it's just me. I'm doing a run tomorrow and it's not suitable for me to bring Monty, so he's having a nice weekend with friends, and I shall be seeing him tomorrow because I don't like being away from him. We go everywhere together, and it's been awful today and tonight and tomorrow not having my little boy with me, but I'm looking forward to seeing him tomorrow afternoon. So as I said, I am running the Thetford Trails half marathon at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Oh my goodness, that's so early. And so I've driven down to Thetford Forest, and I'm staying in the Thetford Forest camping facility here, in my little camper van, just for the night. And then tomorrow I'll be leaving. I'm hoping to leave here around about 8 o'clock, maybe a little bit earlier, to get into Thetford Forest in time to pick up my number, sort out parking, etc., etc., and just kind of numb the nerves before the gun goes off at 9 o'clock. I haven't done much training, so I'm a little bit nervous about it. I've been broken for quite a while, actually. For most of this year I've had niggly knee problems and back problems, and I haven't really been able to run very, very far at all without kind of having pain and stuff like that. But thanks to an amazing biomechanic gentleman that works in the shop that I run, a gentleman called Charles Allen, he has put me back together again. It's been painful, because he certainly knows where things like trigger points are and stuff like that. But working together with Chaz, I've come to the stage where I feel confident that I can finish tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be an amazing time, but I do feel confident that I can get from A to B, hopefully in one place. That's going to be famous last words when I do my little kind of finishing bit tomorrow. In terms of kit, I'll give you the kit layout tomorrow, but I think I'm going to run in my road shoes tomorrow. Thetford Forest does drain quite well, and most of the course is actually on what they call the fire tracks. It's like a cinder pathway around through the forest, so I should be on that. It does go off a little bit into the trails and through the woods, but I think the shoes that I've chosen will be okay like that. There's no rain forecast for tonight or for tomorrow, though I think it will be a little bit on the chilly side, so I'm going to take a trusty bin bag with a hole cut in it for my head, and I shall be wearing that until the start, just to kind of keep myself warm. I've got some really nice kit from Brooks. They're run visible kits. So I've got a nice pair of shorts that I'm going to be wearing. Not that need to be visible, because obviously we're running in the day, but they're just a really nice, comfortable pair of shorts. So I should be wearing those. I haven't worked out which t-shirt I'm going to wear yet. I've either got an orange one, which used to be my dad's, or I'm going to wear a Brooks Run visible t-shirt with that as well. If I do, if I do wear the Brooks one, it'll definitely be a case of all the gear and no idea Davis tomorrow. So we'll have a look. And then I've also got a hydration backpack that I'm going to wear. I'm not putting a bladder in it. I'm just going to have a bottle and some gel. Well, I haven't got gels. I've got Voom stuff tomorrow. So again, I'll show you all that and tell you how it's all going to work. So yeah, so that's my weekend. So it's definitely me and not Monty and me this weekend, but hopefully two of us will be out on adventures. We've got something booked in November that we're going to do. It'll probably be cold, but where we're going, I won't tell you yet because it's going to be a surprise. But it's a new place for us, again in East Anglia, but it's going to be a new area for us to explore, and hopefully we're going to be able to show you around and see where we're going. Okay, so I'm going to try and do some videoing tomorrow when I'm running. So I'm going to apologise in advance for a very red face, probably the same colour as my sweatshirt by the time I finished. But I'm going to try and give you a taste of what the run is about, and hopefully I'll be able to say a few words as well as I'm running along, and then we'll catch up when I've finished at the end, and I hopefully will be able to show you a medal. So anyway, so I'm just about to put the kettle on. I'm in my camper van by myself, which is really weird, not having Monty with me. Camper van, I'm going to probably watch a little bit Strictly or something like that, because it's 10 to 8, so it's quite late. It's lovely and dark now, so everything's all wrapped up. I've got the blinds up, all quite cosy. So kettle's on, I'm going to have a little bit of tea, and then basically get the bed laid out, get the sleeping bag. I've got a little heater, so I'm going to be nice and toasty warm in here tonight. I've also got a hot water bottle, and then just work out what time I need to be getting up so I can get ready, get my kit on, get my kit layout, show you a little bit of what I'm going to be wearing, and hopefully I'll see you soon. So I'm going to have a nice restful evening, watch a bit of telly, and then work myself up into a lather because I've got to run half a marathon tomorrow morning. So yes. Well, good morning. It is, what is it? It's 6:47 on Sunday morning, Sunday the 13th of October, and I had a lovely night's sleep. Very, very toasty and warm in the van. Really nice. Glad I bought this sleeping bag. It's really nice. Had a little hot water bottle, but just kind of keep my toes warm. But apart from that was it, and it was lovely. Yeah, very, very quiet. Always quiet here. So nice undisturbed sleep, so feeling quite pleased about that. I've just got the kettle on, so I'm going to have a cup of coffee, and then I'm going to start getting my kit ready. So I've got to get changed in the van because I haven't got the awning up today, which I normally have the awning up with the camper van, but as it's only one night and I got here quite dark as well with my hair, it wasn't worth it, so everything's going to have to be done in here today. So good job I haven't got Monty actually, because I had no room whatsoever with him larding it in the bed. So yeah, so I'm going to get ready, have a cup of coffee, have some breakfast, get ready. So I'm hoping, as I said last night, I'm hoping to leave here probably around about, well, just before 8 I think, which will give me enough time to get to Thetford Forest, park up, and then go and find where I need to register, get my number, also sort out the parking as well, because there's a little code I have to use to get the parking for the event, and then do a little warm-up, and then hopefully have a little trot. I have been outside just a little bit. I mean, it's still dark at the moment, but I have been outside just a little bit, and it's not too bad. I think it will be chilly for a bit. I might just take some arm sleeves and stuff like that just to keep my arms warm, or I have got some gloves just again keep my hands warm, but I think they'll be off pretty soon after the race has started. So anyway, so that's the plan for today. Kettle's on, coffee's in the cup, and then I'll have some breakfast, get dressed, and pack up, and set off for Thetford Forest. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting day. Let's say it's going to be interesting to see what state I'm in when I at the end of this. So keep watching, guys. It's the start. I've got a mouthful of Voom things. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day. It's very cold, and I'm a bit nervous, to be quite honest with you. There's not many. Well, I think there's not many people here, but they're all going to come before me, so I don't care. I've got my armies on. I've got my gloves to wear as well. So yeah, I've got a little red runny nose already. So we'll see what happens. Well, here we go. It's just coming off. Just gone that 8 miles, and the knee's starting to play up. So I'm going to go for a tactic of walking for a minute and then running for the rest of the mile now. Hopefully I'll be able to get to the end, but my knee really isn't feeling very well at the moment. It's very stiff and sore. But anyway, onwards and upwards, as I say. So a little bit of walking and then start running again. I don't think I'll have a chance to do another little bulletin, so see you at the finish. Well, that was probably one of the hardest things I've done for a long, long time. Everything was going really, really well until, say, when I last spoke to you, and then all ground to a horrible stop. My knee really kind of decided it didn't want to go anymore, so it really was run, walk all the way back. So I did it, but the time was rubbish. Unfortunately, it was over 2.5 hours, which is really, really bad. But never mind, a half marathon is a half marathon. So back in the car, I'm going to put something warm on now because it is cold. I'm cold now, and I'm going to drive home, and I'm going to see my boy. I'm going to see Monty. So I haven't seen him since yesterday morning because he's been staying away. So I'm really looking forward to it. And to be quite honest with you, that's the only thing that kind of kept me. My half marathon story. Getting a bit emotional now. It's a very emotional thing to do, running. And I'm going to drive back to Norwich and see Monty. So thank you for watching, and hopefully next time it will be Monty and me. As I say, we've got a little trip planned next month, and we're going to go somewhere new for us, so we'll do a little film about that. So thank you for watching. Apologies for getting emotional, but it's quite a big thing for me to run a half marathon. So thank you very much indeed. Bye bye.